Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill up traveler's declaration when you travel to Guatemala. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, with this advanced declaration system, you can declare about to travel to Guatemala, and you will receive a QR code once you finish this. So from there, your entry will be streamlined. Now this is available in English as well as in Spanish. You see, I click on this language on left hand side top and it switches. So first you need to begin with your email, okay, and then you're gonna continue. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I just had to enter the email in both the fields. Next is asking about travel document that will be used during the trip. Is Guatemalan. I select no. Foreign document. So I select passport. Nationality. Wow. Correct. Document number. Check your passport and do. Be very careful. Okay, so every traveler head of family must fill this form, declaring that information is true. Submit it to the custom tax agent. Okay, fine. So you can read everything. Okay, and then continue. Type of travel, entry or exit. So I select entry. So it's, you can see it's in like 6 tabs. Transportation mode, I select by air. Where you are arriving, which airline you are arriving from, flight number. Next, personal. Given name, surname. So do it as per your own case. Country of residence. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. Country of departure. Quantity of luggage, handbags, and check-in that travel with you. So I select 2. Not traveling with you, I select 0. Address, reason for travel, I select true. Date of entry, so you can fill it up to 2 weeks in advance. Okay, so I select this. Are you competent of family? If you select yes, you need to provide their details. If no, then you're alone. Answer the question. Have you been granted any tax exemption in the last 6 months? I select no. Are you carrying cash, title, object, precious meals, or combination metals? No. Animal, plant, fresh food, chemical, pharmaceutical, any goods other than language? I select no. I declare that it's gonna be saved. So of course I'm not gonna do this, but this is how you can do. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.